and welcome to this evening's Equity Market Wrap. My name is Lisa Pallavi Barbora. So after last week's strong performance, this week was surely disappointing, with benchmark indices correcting around 1.2 to 1.3%. Today was no different. The market was pretty volatile, starting out in the green, but finally benchmark indices slipped into the red and closed around 0.6 to 0.7% lower. The BSE Sensex ended at 19,427 and the Nifty closed at 5872. Broader markets, in fact, fared much worse, with the individual mid and small cap stocks correcting anywhere between 10 to 15% in some cases. In fact, it was the stocks that gained in yesterday's rally which suffered the most today. And as experts were suggesting, yesterday's rally could have to do with more to do with the short covering, which actually might have been the case. So rate sensitives corrected today. BSE Realty Index was the biggest loser, down around 2.8%. The BSE Bank X also corrected around 1.7%, and BSE Oil and Gas Index was down around 1.2%. Remember, oil and gas, oil marketing companies, stocks were up yesterday on some reports that there could be a possible diesel price hike. At the other end of the spectrum were consumer durable stocks. Again, yesterday they were at the bottom of the pile, but today the BSE Consumer Durables Index was the top gainer, up around 2.5%. Among mid-cap stocks, some of the prominent losers were Amtech India, down around 17%. Also, Shrey Infrastructure Finance was down around 15%, and SR Ports corrected around 10%. Now, experts are suggesting that some nervousness in trading at current market levels has crept in, and this kind of sharp correction in mid-caps could continue for some time. Other than that, private sector banks corrected today on the reports from Cobra Post saying that these banks are involved in or facilitating money laundering. So ICICI Bank was down around 3.9%, HDFC Bank was down around 1.7%, and Axis Bank corrected around 0.9%. Other than that, among Sensex stocks, GAIL was down around 2.6%, continuing its losses. Tata Motors, finally reacting to dismal sales numbers from JLR, was down around 3.3%. And Reliance Industries also saw some profit booking. That stock was down around 2%. There were a handful of gainers. So M&M was up around 1.5%. Tata Power gained around 1.2%. And Hero MotoCorp was also up around 0.7%. Now, market participants will wait and watch for the credit policy next week, and until then, some amount of volatility and range-bound trading may continue. That's all from me. Do log on to livemint.com for more details. Thank you.